Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week, and this one's going to be a little bit different because we normally go over like 6 to 10 items a week. This one is more than double that. I think we're around 25 items, so I'm not going to spend as much time talking about them, just showing you them. The reason this is going on is obviously because of the Prime Day deals, and I believe this is the last day that it's going on, so hopefully these deals last long enough for you guys to snag some up, or hopefully you guys have already found some. They've got a lot of really, really good deals, and this is only a very, very small portion of what's available. You can basically search all of your favorite brands, and most of them have some sort of deal going on. There's even some deals going on that we don't normally see. So I'm going to mention a few of those, but we have a lot to go over. But all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. The first one up is the Workpro 8-inch long nose slip joint pliers. There aren't very many slip joint pliers available out there when it comes to long nose pliers, and this is one of the most affordable ones that you're going to find, even at the list price of $16, and it's down to $10.63. This has been a very, very popular option from Workpro. They've got a lot of great pliers at a great price. So this is definitely one to consider if you have been wanting to try them out. At $10, I think that's a great deal. 4.5 stars, 251 ratings. Next up, another Workpro product. These are three. Normally I'll show these three pliers kind of individually, but they've started building little EDC sets, and this is a 3-piece pliers set, long nose slip joints, and the water pump pliers, all miniatures, 4 and 4.5 inch pairs of pliers. Comes with a Velcro pouch at $38.39, down from a list price of $48. This has 4.6 stars, 19 ratings. If you're one that likes EDC or individual tools over a multi-tool, I think this is a really nice little set. Next up, we have the Workpro kind of imitation pliers of the twin grips from Knipex with the push button adjustable joint instead of your standard 2 or 3 position slip joint. This has 4 different modes of adjustment. This is the comfort grip. I'm not sure if they have a non-comfort grip version of these pliers, but these are at $11.72, down from a list price of $15. Already really affordable. Workpro is a pretty DIY weekend warrior friendly brand, so you're already going to find good prices. Now we're just seeing even better prices. So 4.8 stars, 77 ratings. Next up, we're looking at an SK product. I don't mention SK a whole lot because I know what SK used to be, but ever since they were bought out by the China company, they have expanded the lineup. Unfortunately, it's not USA made tools. They still do offer some USA made tools. Now SK does have the USA version of this ratchet. They are more expensive, but this is the non-USA version, and it's a 3-piece set, all 3 drive sizes, 90-tooth design at $60, down from a typical price of $80, so quite good savings on there. This has 4.5 stars, 238 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Flex product. So, Flex is no longer sold at Lowe's, but there were, towards the end, some really, really good deals at Lowe's for some Flex tools. Now you can find tons of great deals on Amazon and other places, but lots of really good deals on the Flex lineup, and they have a really good lineup. If you guys have experience with Flex tools, please let me know down in the comments, but this is their 24-volt brushless 1.6-gallon wet and dry shop vac. This is the tool only. You'll still need a battery. Hopefully some of you caught some of those deals at the end of their life at Lowe's and got some really good deals on batteries, but $90 for this I think is a great price. Typically it is $130. 4.3 stars, 78 ratings. Next up is another Flex tool. This is their 24-volt brushless cordless 1/2-inch hammer drill. This is the tool only at $87, down from a typical price of $115. So once again, some really good savings on there. Really good drill, 2-speed, 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. Really, really solid option, not just for this tool, but the brand itself. 4.6 stars, 54 ratings. Next up is a Klein product. This is their ratcheting wrench set. This is the SAE, but they do have the metric set on sale as well. It is going to be a 90-tooth design. They do have the color indicators per size. I actually really kind of like these sets. Now I wish they would kind of expand on it. They do have a couple of different variations as well, which I've mentioned in previous videos, but I think this is a really solid option. A lot of the other sets sell, I want to say, around 100, but we see them on sales around 70 or 80. Right now it's at 65, down from a list price of $80, so I think that's a really good deal. Once again, this is the SAE set, but the metric one is on sale as well. 4.8 stars, 300 ratings. Next up, another Klein product. This is part of their Connect lineup. This is their deep well flip socket set. a really good variety of both metric and SAE with 1/4" and 3/8 adapters. I think there's some AI or Photoshop image issue here in the center. It's a really weird looking socket, but really nice little set. They do have much larger sets as well. They have both metric and SAE, shallow and deep. They've started to release some really cool sets, but this one was on a pretty good deal at $85, down from a list price of $100, and it does typically sit at that $100, so it is nice to see a discount on this one. This has 4.8 stars, 476 ratings. Next up is a product from Lexivon. This is their Master Torx bit socket set. S2 steel, 34 pieces. So you got tamper-proof and solid from T6 up to T70. So a really good selection of Torx. Basically anything that you could need, especially for a weekend warrior DIYer. And this is at $34, down from a typical price of $40. So some pretty good savings on that. And Lexivon has a good variety of hex Torx, basically bit sockets, and then torque wrenches. Their torque wrenches are, all of it's kind of on the affordable side. And these deals are really good as well. 4.8 stars, 20,169 ratings. So rated very highly and rated a lot. Next up is a Gearwrench product. Their 3/8 drive 120XP with the dual material handle. This is the semi-locking flex head, and this is one of my favorite ratchets. I've been using the 120XP for over 10 years and love it. I get it, it's not for everybody. It's a 60-tooth main gear with dual pawls, creating 120 positions or a 3-degree arc swing. Absolutely love them. This is the updated version with the slimmer head, and this one is at $40. Its typical price is $60. The item length on this is 15.52, so 15.5 inches, 4.5 stars at 175 ratings. But then they also have this one, 1/4" and 3/8 drive dual set, so 2-piece set of the 120XP with the dual material handles, semi-locking flex heads, just like what we were looking at. But here you're getting 2 of them for $53.90 to $54, down from a typical price of $63.44. I'm just not sure if that is the 15.5 inch 3/8 drive. Next up, another Gearwrench product, the 3/8 drive electronic torque wrench from 7.4 to 99.6 foot-pounds. This has 4.2 stars, 705 ratings. Next up, we have some Sunex tools. The first one we're looking at is the 3/8 drive low profile impact hex driver set. So you can see here you got both metric and SAE. Metric 6 to 19 millimeter, SAE 1/4" to 3/4". Nice stubby strong impact rated hex sockets. Chromoly steel dual size markings, both laser and stamped. And this is down to $25.30, down from a typical price of $35.10. So quite a bit of savings on that. And this has 4.7 stars, 2,460 ratings. So rated very highly and rated a lot. Then they also have their 1/4" drive master impact socket set, which I've mentioned a couple times on my previous Amazon videos. But this is a really good price on this. This has a typical price of $95. It's down to $70.50. Really good coverage. 1/4" impact is becoming more and more popular. It's what I primarily use on a daily basis, is 1/4" drive. So the fact that we're starting to see more and more impact socket sets, I think they're selling very well, and I think a lot of people are really enjoying them. And I think this is a really well put together set, really good coverage. There you can see the coverage. For metric, you get 4 through 15, and the SAE, you're getting 3/16 through 9/16. This has 4.8 stars, 3,062 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot as well. Next up, we're looking at a Tekton product, and if you guys follow the channel, you guys know I love Tekton as a brand, what they've done over the last 10 years and improving their stuff and re-releasing improved stuff and new stuff and USA-made stuff, now German-made stuff. A lot of really good things going on over at Tekton, but I've been mentioning them less and less on the Amazon deal videos because you're just not finding the deals that you used to. Not only have prices kind of gone up over the last few years, but they're doing less and less discounts on their items on Amazon, which is unfortunate. But right now, a lot of the Tekton stuff is on sale on Amazon, which I never see, or, rarely see nowadays. So I wanted to mention a few of them while we can. The Tekton 1/2" drive 72 tooth split beam torque wrench. This is one of my go-to. I actually had an issue with one. They had me a replacement literally the next day. This is down to $127.50, down from $150, so some really good savings on there. This has 4.3 stars, 25 ratings. The other one we're looking at is the stubby combination wrench set from 8 to 19 millimeter with the organizer at $45.89, down from a list price of $54. Then you got the SAE set at $37. This has 4.8 stars, 843 ratings. Then you have their newer 1/4-inch drive 6-point small engine shallow socket set. I bought this as soon as it was released because, like I said, 1/4-inch drive is what I primarily use. I like to have this to throw it in. It's actually in my race box or my track box. It has a lot of what I need. The bits are what you commonly use. It's not filled with a bunch of bits that you don't find yourself using on a regular basis. Then you have a really good selection of sockets, both metric and SAE, a bit ratchet, a flex head ratchet, or you can get it without a flex head ratchet. You can get it with the standard fixed head. Then you got a couple of extensions and universal at $80. If you're not somebody that uses sets like this, it's not going to be worth it to you. If you use a lot of 1/4-inch drive and stuff like this, it can be invaluable. Absolutely phenomenal. Has 5 stars, 5 ratings. Next up, another Sunex tool set. This is their Torx T-handle set, 7-piece set from T10 to T40. Comfort grip, rubberized overmold handles, and there are a lot of really cheap T-handle sets on Amazon, which if that's all you need, by all means. But these almost look identical to the Matco sets that I had many years ago, and I really enjoyed those. I just didn't use T-handles enough. If you use T-handles, I think this is a great set. $37 for this set, down from a typical price of $45. Know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. This has 4.8 stars, 39 ratings. Next up, we have a Workpro product. This is a 2-piece set. You get your oil filter pliers as well as a flexible funnel. Not only are these my most commonly used oil filter pliers or oil filter removal tool, I have, I don't know, probably 5 different tools for removing filters. This is my most commonly used set. I have one from Tekton, same thing. And then the flexible funnel is so handy, especially in today's cars where they put drain plugs and stuff above cross members and framing and other components. And then you pull the drain plug and then you just got oil or whatever fluid you're changing just running all over everything, or even filling, whether it be coolant, oil, whatever it may be. You can form this and get yourself better access when pouring. So whether you're draining or filling, it's a fantastic funnel to have. You can shape it and mold it however you want and then just wipe it down, throw it back in the box. Absolutely fantastic. This 2-piece set is at $17, down from a list price of $20. 4.7 stars, 48 ratings. Next up, a lot of the Vampliers stuff. All the brands that we went over today, a lot of their lineup is on sale, so go ahead and check it out. I just picked a few from each brand. Vampliers, a lot of their stuff is on sale right now, which if you don't know, it's originally made by Engineer. So Engineer is usually cheaper, which it may still be, but the Vampliers is the USA-based version of the Engineer. It's still made in Japan tools. It's just from basically the warehouse in the USA. It comes with like a 3 or 4 year warranty, I believe. And that's kind of why you're paying the additional $10 to $15 per pair of plier instead of the Engineer one that doesn't come with the warranty. You can save money and go that route. But with the Vampliers on sale right now, I think a lot of them are worth it. Lots of different functions in this. They have the feature of screw extraction, but they can still be used as your everyday pliers. This has got cutters, open jaws, aggressive teeth, crimping. I mean, lots of great features on this specific set of pliers, but they have a lot to offer in their lineup, so go ahead and check those out. This is at $32, down from $40, 4.3 stars, 12 ratings. Next up, we have the Wera screwdriver set. As you can see here, we don't have the red tag for the Prime Day deals. This was just a really good deal, from a typical price of $37 down to $29 for this 6-piece set, and then you got your mount as well. Wera has some fantastic screwdrivers. I love the handles. The tips are amazing. But it's all personal preference, obviously. If you've used a style like this before and enjoy it, I think Wera is definitely a good one to consider picking up, especially at this price. But if you don't enjoy this kind of handle design, I completely understand it. Lots of other options out there for us today, but this has 4.8 stars, 1,933 ratings. Then we have a Gearwrench 51-piece master screwdriver set. So I have their 20-piece set that I've owned for over 10 years and absolutely love it. It's my go-to as far as my home box screwdriver set. I have, I don't know, 20 different brands here It's just the first big set that I bought that wasn't complete junk. And this is just the updated handle design that they've had for a few years, their new color combo. And this is a really well put together screwdriver set. So if you're somebody that uses a lot of screwdrivers and you need them of all different sorts of shapes, sizes, lengths, this is a really good one to consider. Now it is $200, but honestly, for the amount of screwdrivers that you're getting and the variety that you're getting, I think that's a good deal. It does have a typical price of almost $300, which is, that's a little insane to me. But $200 for this 51-piece set I don't think is bad at all. 33% savings, 4.7 stars, 75 ratings. Then the last one for this week is going to be the VHA 12-piece screwdriver set at $56. It has a typical price of $66, so a decent amount of savings on there. I'm not one that owns a lot of VHA tools, but I know a lot of people that do really enjoy them. This seems like a really good standard size screwdriver set. I mean, even their 8-piece set is at $60 right now. So, I mean, this 12-piece set is definitely on a really good deal compared to their other sets. But if you guys have experience with them, please let me know. At $56, down from $66. It has 4.8 stars, 572 ratings. But that's it as far as this week's deals and the Prime Day deals that we have going on right now. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.